Alphaweld Supply Group is a leading provider of welding supplies and hire equipment to Australia's largest industries, mining and oil and gas.
Alphaweld was formed in 2006. We saw a gap in the market for welding equipment suppliers, like a high level of service. We're one of the leading suppliers of welding equipment in the West Australian market.
We've always had a strong vision for the company, especially around service. Our tag and motto, "We make it easy," has always driven the company and the team, to continually pursue a service-oriented welding company. Our vision obviously is to continue to grow and support that. It's a very technical market. It's one thing to be able to sell it, but then to support it as well moving forward.
We have over 5,000 products in our range, and you can see that from our website. They're very, very diverse. We offer everything from the consumables to the equipment and all the necessary spare parts.
Alphaweld has a full rental division, so anything we sell, basically we also rent out on both short and long-term hire. We don't only offer the rental equipment, we also back that up with a complete supply service. So the customer can have and expect that they will get the rental equipment and the supplies and consumables to go with it to cover their whole job. That's a unique offering that we have here at Alphaweld. Beyond that, we also offer delivery system for all our rental equipment right across Australia.
We make it easy being our tagline. It's something we live and breathe every day. So whether they're coming to us for technical advice for a product or an order, we aim to make that experience very easy for them.
That's what drives us every day is, solving those problems, bringing supply for clients in short time frames, and ultimately helping them achieve goals.